Step 1. Verify game files. Second step is to verify game files. Corrupted files can prevent the game from launching. For Steam users, open Steam. Right click on Warzone 2. Select Properties. Select Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Battle.net users, open the Battle.net client, go to your Game tab, click on Warzone 2, click on the cogwheel icon next to the play button, select Scan and repair it. Close the client once done. Step 2. Update graphics driver. Go to Windows search bar, type GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Click on Check for Update. And install the update if available. For AMD users, open the AMD software, select the drivers tab and check for update and update it. Close the software once updated. Step 3. Close background application. Right click on taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Process tab, end unnecessary tasks, especially resource heavy applications, and end it. Step 4. Disable overlay application. For Discord, open Discord. Go to User Settings. Scroll down to Game Overlay. Toggle it off. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience. Go to Settings. Scroll down to In-Game Overlay. Toggle it off. For Steam, open Steam. Right click on Warzone 2, select Properties. Uncheck Enable the System Overlay while in game option. Close the application once done. Step 5. Update Windows. Go to Windows search bar, type check for update, Click on open it. Select check for update again. And if you find any update, download it and update your Windows. Step 6. Set launching option. For Steam users, open Steam. Go to the library, right click on Warzone 2, select Properties. Copy the command from video description and paste it there in Launch option. And click on Save. Step 7. Reinstall the game. Uninstall Warzone from Steam or Battle.net. Go to the library, right click on Warzone 2, select Manage and click on Uninstall. And then reinstall the game. Restart your PC. Step 9. Update DirectX and Visual C++. Copy the link from description and download these both files and install it. After that, restart your PC and try launching the game. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.